Hello everyone, welcome to Catch Dreams with Poonam. We know that vegetables are most important part of our daily meal. In this video, I will be showing you how to store vegetable for long time. I have made this video in two parts. In one part, I have covered helping vegetables such as ginger, garlic, coriander and other. And in second part, I will be covering other main vegetables. In this video, I have covered chilies, curry leaves, ginger, garlic, coriander and mint. So friends, let's get started. So let's start with curry leaves. For washing curry leaves, we will make vinegar solution first. For vinegar solution, take some water in a pan. Now add vinegar in it. Friends, vinegar helps in killing the germs and cleaning vegetables. Now put all curry leaves in it and wash them properly. Now wash the leaves under running water. Put the leaves on a towel and spread the leaves. Take another towel and press the leaves like this to dry them. You can also put the leaves under a fan. When the leaves have dried up, take 2 napkin paper and put leaves on them. Wrap the leaves properly like this and put it in an airtight container box. And after then, place it in the fridge. Let's talk about garlic. Take some garlic, put them on a napkin paper and wrap them properly. Take another napkin and wrap it around the garlic. Put it in an airtight container and place it in the fridge. Now it's a time for ginger. Ginger is among the most used vegetable. First wash it under running water. Now take an old toothbrush and clean the ginger with it. Again wash it with water. And leave the ginger under the fan. Let's dry them. Once they have dried up, take 2 napkin paper and wrap it properly with the napkin. Place another napkin on the top. Friends, I have used airtight container here and now put it in the fridge. Friends, I have already washed some mint leaves and now I am drying them with the help of the towel. Now take a napkin paper and wrap the mint in it and place it in airtight container. And after then, put the box in the fridge. Now it's the time for the chilies. First take out the stem of chilies. And now wash the chilies in vinegar solution. And then in normal water. Leave them for drying. Once they have drying up, place them on a napkin and wrap them. Put them in airtight container box and place the box in a fridge. Let's talk about coriander. I'm not washing the coriander before storing. I prefer to wash it just before using. So I have wrapped it in a napkin paper. And put it in airtight container box. Now place it in fridge. After 1 week, this was the condition of the coriander. It's look very fresh. Change the napkin if you require and put it back in the fridge. Now let's see the condition of vegetable after 1 week. Look at this friend, mint leaves were looking fresh and nice. So this was my video for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for many more beautiful videos. See you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.